Hey tubers, Ghost Wolf 86 here down at the river, and here's a video of the freighter Baie Comeau. It's pronounced B-A-I-E-C-O-M-E-A-U from the Canada steamship lines. I do believe I filmed this freighter once before, but let's see if we can follow her down the river. See if we can follow her as she steams to her destination. We're following the ship as she sails down the water. Destination unknown. I wish I knew where these ships were going, but unfortunately I don't. I can read the names as best as I can. And that's what I can do. I think she's a 1,000-foot freighter, I do believe, judging by the shape of the ship in the rear and in the front. Well, there you go. The Baie Comeau, or Comeau, something like that. If I butcher the names, I'm so sorry. As we follow her down the river, maybe we'll get lucky and hear a horn honk. Wow, she's honking quite a bit. I think she's telling people, I'm coming, come out of my way. Well, thank you much. Have a great day and enjoy the video.